Changing the phone number associated with your Steam account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam application or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Details. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Click on your username in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage your phone number. In the Account Details section, look for the phone number option. Click on Manage your phone number to begin the update process. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may be required to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code via your current phone number or email and enter the code to proceed. Step 5. Enter new phone number. After verification, you will have the option to enter your new phone number. Input the new number and follow any additional prompts to finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on your Steam account. Make sure to keep your account secure by regularly reviewing your security settings.